What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. I'm Lorenzo. As you can see from the title, I will be reviewing my top 5 prop firms going into 2025. 2024 was a great year for me. I was able to finish green, and I was able to meet some friends as well from my YouTube. So shout out to everyone who subscribed to my YouTube and share my video and even comment and even join the Discord. So I just want to say happy 2025. I wish you all the best in your trading. Okay. Now, before I get into my top 5, I want to review what Prop Trader Ranks have on their website. Now, Prop Trader Ranks is a website or a platform that pretty much allow traders to rank different prop firms and give their ratings. Now, based on the ratings that each trader gives these prop firms, there will be a list that is created, and in that list each prop firm will be ranked. Okay, so based on what prop trader ranks have, they have Topstep at number 1 with a score of 9.2. Number 2, they have Take Profit with a score of 9. Number 3, they have My Fund the Future. Number 4, they have Apex Trader Funding, and at number 5 we have Earn to Trade. So I don't know about this list. It has 4 of my firms in there, except for Apex. Now, I've made a lot of money with Apex, but as you know, since Apex 2.0, things became a little bit difficult. Okay. Now, anyway, guys, I want you guys to jump over Prop Trader Ranks, and if you're trading with any one of these firms, please give your honest review so that other traders can see these reviews and make a sound decision in terms of which one of these prop firms to go with. So, in terms of my ranking, here is my list. So if you're a new trader, I would recommend any one of these prop firms on these lists, and it doesn't matter. It's not in any particular order. So any one of these prop firms I would recommend. And going into 2025, I will be trading with all of these firms on this list right here. So starting off right now, I have Take Profit Trader. Currently, Take Profit Trader have a 40% off if you use that code. Now, in terms of accounts that they have multiple accounts. I'm just going to be using the 2 most popular account size, which is the 50K and the 150K. And as you can see, currently based on the discount that they have, you can get a 50K for $102. The 150K is currently going for $216. And as you know, with Take Profit Trader, you can withdraw from day 1 in your pro account, and you don't have to trade for multiple days. You don't have to try to make a payout windows. Okay, and there is no consistency rule. You can make as much as you want in on day 1 trading with Take Profit Trader. So I will definitely be trading with them. The next on the list, before I go that, so as I said, you can take your payout the first day, and you can have a maximum account of up to 5 accounts. Okay. The next on the list now is Earn to Trade, and remember, this is not in any particular order. These are the top 5 firms that I will be trading with. Okay. So the next on the list is Earn to Trade. As you can see, currently Earn to Trade have a discounts of 40 to 60% off if you use the code Sniper. Okay. And they have a 50K and a 100K. Now, Earn to Trade is a little different. I think Earn to Trade models a real prop firm. The moment you pass the evaluation, you have the choice to move into a live account. Okay. And they have 2 different account types. They have what you call TCP, which is the Trader Career Path, and they have a Gauntlet Mini, which is a set account size. Okay. With the TCP or the Trader Career Path, you're able to scale up as you withdraw from those accounts. Okay. So currently, you can get a 50K account for $95, and you can get a 100K account, which is the TCP account, for $175. So, guys, I want you guys to look at these prices, okay, and tell me which one of these accounts or which one of these prop firms you will be trading with in 2025. Okay, but Earn to Trade, I think is one of the best option for those who are trading prop firm for the long term. Okay, because if you get a 100K with Earn to Trade, a TCP, you're able to scale all the way up to a 400K without any extra fee. Okay, so once you pass the 100K with Earn to Trade, you then move into a live account. You have the option to choose a live account or a live SIM account. Okay, and then after you withdraw the max amount that you can from that account, you will then be moved to a 150K account. After you withdraw the max from that account, you will then be moved to a 200K, and then after the 200K, you will then be moved to a 400K. Okay, and currently the 50K is going for $95, and the 100K is going for $175. So that is definitely on my list for 2025. The next on my list right now is Topstep. Okay, Topstep, as you know, they don't normally give discounts, but currently the 50K is going for $49, and the 150K is going for $149. And as you know, Topstep, all you have to do is have 5 winning days. It doesn't have to be consecutive. 5 winning days of $200 or more, and then you're able to do a withdrawal. And you can withdraw up to $5,000 on each account, or 50% of what the available profit is on that account. Okay. Now the next on the list. Well, before I go to the next one, With Topstep, you can trade up to 5 days, and the max account that you can have is five. For Earn to Trade, I'm not sure if I mentioned this though, but with Earn to Trade, you're able to withdraw weekly as well. Okay, and you can have a maximum of three accounts. Okay, so the next on the list after Top Step, I would say, is My Funded Futures. Now, My Funded Futures currently have a discount going on. You can get a 50K account for $97 and a 150K account for $377. Now, I implore you guys to go over to My Funded Futures and research the different account size because they have so many options. They have a starter plus, they have a starter, they have an expert. These are just for the starter accounts. Okay, so if you're new and you're just getting into futures trading, I would recommend go with My Funded Future, maybe the starter account. $97 for the 50K, 150K is for $377. Now, I kind of saved the best for last, to be honest with you, because all of these four firms that I mentioned currently are only evaluation firms. So you have to take a challenge, and then after the challenge, you then get placed into a funded account. With Tradeify, you have the option to do evaluation accounts and then get funded, or you can go instantly into a funded account. Okay. Now, Tradeify have multiple account sizes, different account types. They have a growth account, advanced account, and the instant funding account. So with Tradeify, currently they have a 50K evaluation account for $49 and a 150K evaluation for $114. And currently they have a discount between 30% to 50% off if you use the code snipers. Okay. Now, they also have an instant funded account. Okay. And gone are the days when you used to take evaluations and it take you like 5 to 6 days to pass. Now you can just purchase an account and start trading right away. Okay. And for the 50K, the instant funding is $384, and for the 150K is $489. I know it's a little pricey, but I'm telling you, trading evaluation can get really stressful. And if you just want to avoid that stress, I would say go directly for the instant funding. Okay. So that's pretty much it in terms of my top five. Now, how am I going to manage these accounts? My plan is to use a tool that I developed. It kind of helps me to keep track of everything. Okay. So the tool that I will be using looks like this, and I will be trading on Quantower. As you know, I am biased towards Quantower. Plus, I will be making some more videos regarding order flow on Quantower. So this tool that I developed, pretty much it kind of keeps track of your total prop balances and your total drawdown, as well as your P&L consistency and your total P&L. It also gives you like a daily P&L as well for each account. It also tells you your best day, the number of trading days, your worst day, and also a total of your monthly P&L as well. Also tell you if you're above or below the consistency based on the account. Okay, so this is what I will be using to pretty much manage my entire crop portfolio. Okay, so I'm gonna jump in and give you maybe a quick sneak peek. So this is how it looks, guys. As you can see, it tracks your balance, your total drawdown, your P&L, your consistency, as well as your total P&L. And you can filter for multiple PAs. As you can see over here, you have your PA1, PA2, PA3, PA4, up to infinity of PAs that you want. Okay. So I just put in some sample data just to show you how it works. And it also shows you your best day, your number of trading day for that account, how many days you have traded, and also your worst day, as well as your total monthly P&L. Okay. Now, the other cool thing about this, it keeps track of your consistency. So for this PA right here, it says my consistency is below 30%. Okay. So as you know, if you're trading prop firm with these accounts, you have to maintain a level of consistency. Okay. And in order for you to track it, you have to have a system that really track these. Okay. So if you scroll down, it also tells you for this PA. If you scroll down here, it tells you your total P&L as well as the goal for that account. Okay. And as soon as you make more profit, your goal calculation changes as well as the number of trading days. Okay. If you're above or below the consistency, it tells you how much you need to make to maintain the consistency required. And currently, for this PA, as you can see, the consistency is 23.7%. Okay, so this tool has helped me tremendously last year. Okay, now if you want to switch to a different account, you can switch to PA number 2. And for PA number 2, it's showing me stats for this PA right here. Okay, and as you can see, it's a 150K account, and currently the P&L is 4,300, and the remaining goal for me to make it to payout, I need to make 3,200. And so far, I've traded for 12 days, and my consistency is below the required amount of 19.07%. So this is exactly what I used last year, guys, and get multiple payouts. In order for you to manage multiple accounts, in order for you to keep track of how much more you need to make in order to make payout, this is exactly what I use. Okay, so you can filter for multiple PAs. So this is for PA number 3, and This is for PA number 4. Okay. So let's say you want to filter for all of them combined. You can also select all, and it gives you an overall amount of what your complete portfolio looks like. So it has a total PNL of 1.8, total balance of 1.8 million, overall percentage of 21 point. So you get the gist, guys. You get the gist. And let's say you want to add another PA. Okay, so PA number 5. Currently, I haven't traded. I haven't entered no data for PA number 5, and it looks like this. It shows you what the account balance is starting out. It shows you your drawdown. On a 150K account, typically your drawdown is 5,000. We haven't traded yet, so the PNL is 0. The consistency is also 0, as well as the total PNL. Remember, it also tracks your best days, your worst day, number of trading days, and it tells you whether or not you are above the consistency rule. Another thing, let me switch back to PA number 1. Switch back to PA number 1. It also gives you a equity curve. Pretty cool. Okay, so you can, again, guys, you can't measure what you can't see, and you can't track what you can see. So it makes sense for you to document everything. And the only thing that you have to do when you finish trading for the day, you don't have to update anything over here. All you have to do is select your PA account, and you enter your account balance for that PA account. So on this day, on the 14th, my PA balance was 154,300. Okay, and it automatically, see, automatically, when you add the balance, it automatically tells you how much you make on that day, and also put it in the calendar over here. So this is the tool that I will be using going into 2025, and hopefully we all can make some profit. Okay, I don't want to hold you guys too long, man. I just wanted you to show the tool. If you're interested in this tool, I will be leaving the link below for you guys to maybe support the channel. That's pretty much it, man. All the best. Also, thank you guys. Now I'm now at 1,000 subscribers, and thanks to everyone who watches my video. Click like and also comment. Another thing that I want you guys to do, please tell me which account or which platform you guys will be trading with in 2024. All the best. I'll see you in the next one.